Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer file uploads into Webflow using Uploadcare. Full guide step. To transfer file uploads into Webflow using Uploadcare, start by creating an Uploadcare account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will find your API keys. Copy your public API key, as you will need it for integration. Next, open your Webflow project. Go to the Settings menu, then select the Custom Code tab. In the header section, paste the Uploadcare JavaScript widget script. This script enables you to utilize Uploadcare features in your Webflow project. Now, create a new collection in Webflow for file uploads. Add a file upload field to this collection. In the field settings, choose the Uploadcare option. Return to the Uploadcare dashboard and set up a new project. Configure the file types and size limits according to your requirements. Make sure to enable the necessary transformations and features. Once your settings are complete, copy the widget URL provided by Uploadcare. Next, return to your Webflow project to complete the integration. In the file upload settings, paste the Uploadcare widget URL into the designated field. Now, save the changes and publish your Webflow project. After publishing, you can test the file upload feature. Open your live site and navigate to the section containing the file upload form. Select a file to upload and submit the form. Check if the file appears in your Webflow CMS collection. If everything has been set up correctly, the file should successfully transfer into Webflow. You have now completed the process of transferring file uploads into Webflow using Uploadcare. Make sure to review your project for any adjustments or enhancements you may want to add. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.